Hey guys, welcome to my new video on when you change the setting, you'll edit 10 times faster on Fortnite. So this is my normal building. Okay, it's not the best, but it's still kind of fast, not like really fast. But as you can see, when I change this setting, I can go really quick. So it's not too bad, it does work. Sometimes I do mess up, but don't we all? I was just trying to do it quickly. So we're going to go to settings and then the one with your speaker on it, and go down to where it says build mode sensitivity multiplayer and edit mode sensitivity multiplayer. Turn it up to 2.5 if you haven't already, and this will make it go so much quicker. So I messed up there like 5 seconds straight, but here we go, look, see, it's quicker. I'm just trying to go too quick, but there we go. See, it does work. For some reason that breaks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.